Looks like it's got quite a bit of delay.
Yeah, right. No problem.
All right. Let's see how this one works.
Oh, this thing.
Oh, there we go. That's better. Off we go.
Come on.
Get out there. All right.
Live from the lake.
Yeah, we are at Pyramid State Park, and unfortunately it was sunny as hell on the way out here, but now it is cloudy as hell and the wind has picked up. So for the time being, of course the wind has calmed down a little bit. You can see the ripples on the lake. We're in a kayak, so we're gonna get blown all over the place. What we've got today, we are fishing realistically for whatever bites. I don't know how. Okay. Don't know how well this is going to work. I don't know how well my broadman is going to be. I'm on the mobile. I'm on the data plan on the phone. But couple hours out here on the lake. I really wish the sun was out. Really, I do. The water temps has dropped. Of course, it is October 31st. Happy Halloween, everybody. Actually, the water is actually not that cold. I thought it would be a little colder than what it is. And looks like I got hung. There we go. Let it sink. It got stuck on something on the bank, on the bottom here. We're just looking for a little something to start the adventure here. See, this water is not super clean. We were going to go to a couple different other lakes. You know, like I said, this place has got 30 freaking lakes out here. Some are big, some are small. They're all usually pretty deep. But, oh, there's a little bite. So this is what we're going to be using all day. If you can see that, that is a white rooster tail. Last time I was out here last weekend. I think it was last weekend. No, it was raining last weekend. 2 weeks ago. Not this lake. We're trying to hit every lake because we've not been in any of these. I mean, we fished from the bank from them. I can't take my big boat out here. Actually, my wife came out here too, but she does not do cold very well. And she is sitting in the truck because, like I said, originally it wasn't windy. Wasn't windy. It's actually extremely sunny. And now we're missing out on all of that. Because now it's windy as shit. And it's super freaking sunny. Or super freaking cloudy. Any bites?
I got like 3 or 4.
Yeah.
Not
We just got out here a minute ago. Yeah. When we left the house, it was sunny and no clouds, but I kind of killed that. Yeah. Or should we hit that little cove right there? Little cove right there? I think we just go to the other side. Go to the other side here. Start down here. That's what I'm thinking. Go down here on this side and then whip it around. You see Vips back there. If you watched the stream before, you know Vips. That's Vips over in his kayak. I don't know what he's doing. He's shaking the water off his paddle. You're supposed to get water on your paddle, bro. All right, we need fish. Big, small, it don't matter at all. Come on, whip it around. Oh, my rooster tail's got some lake moss, some lake grass on it. Yeah. Maybe we'll catch something. I will check chat occasionally. We are trying to catch the fish on this windy ass, chilly October 31st. Happy Halloween. Happy freaking Halloween. Let me look at the phone real quick. Nobody there? All good. There is quite a bit of delay on my phone, so if you are in chatting, sorry. I am using the mobile network on my GoPro. I will take this video though, because it's only 720p. I am saving a recording of this to the GoPro. A full 1080p, 240 frames a second. So we will have some, if I do actually catch anything. My rooster tail's jacked up. Oh, I just had a bite too. My rooster tail's messing up here. Try a little bit more. Oh, the rooster tail. I don't know if that's a bite or what. There could just be tree limbs over there too. This is all we're fishing with today. I'm just going to use this rooster tail all day. Oh, look. Oh, he got off. Son of a bitch. Huh?
Yeah, same here.
All right, so we did have one. I got to look at the rooster tail. He grabbed it and ran with it. I totally just didn't do nothing. All over the lure. Oh, it's just a leaf. We effectively caught a leaf. Does that count as a fish? It was in the water. Most people know me for playing video games. That watch my stream. Valheim mainly here lately. I actually streamed last night till about 3 o'clock this morning. But I do enjoy the fishing. I've just never wanted to go kayaking for whatever reason. I don't know why. I mean, why would you not want to go kayaking? I have my own personal boat. If everybody gets a little kayak, everybody can go at their own speed across the lake, do whatever the hell they want. Ain't got to worry about me doing the things and stuff, or going my fishing speed. I do go a little faster than some people fishing. And my wife, my wife is a night crawler girl. Give her some night crawlers and let her catch the bluegills all day long. Like I said, she's actually over there in the truck. I don't know if you can see the truck right over there. She's still sitting in the truck. She is not a cold weather person. And originally when we came out here, like I said earlier, it was sunny. Sunny. It wasn't very windy. And that's all changed on the way out here. This is one of like 30 lakes or so at this place. We went to 2 other lakes before we decided on this one. Reason being is the direction of the wind. The other 2 lakes are faced a little differently. And the wind's blowing directly across them. While this one does have wind, this one's faced a different direction. So we came back to this one after we passed it, hoping to not be blown all over the freaking lake, which right now we're fine. We're in this back, we'll go around that corner right there and we're gonna get into some wind, but right now we're fine. I should have already had it. Oh, look at that. Threw my pole off. Where's your bloopers? Clip that. Guess I didn't seat my pole properly. Hashtag fail. Fail on the lake. I still look crooked. There we go. Well, we have had a couple bites. I did lose a couple fish. Had to get out of the boat. The wind's kind of kicking me back a little bit. Why's that up? Get out of here. I may be talking too low for this GoPro, because it is actually on my head. I could have brought the chest piece and put it on my chest, but it would have been, well, I don't know, it's got a wide angle. It's got a wide camera angle. Probably totally could have just used that one. Hill rips behind me back there. Do your thing. Don't worry about me. Oh. There we go. We got one, boys. Oh. We got one, boys. Looky, looky. We got the first fish of the day. Little chunker bass. All right, looky, looky. Little largemouth, Southern Illinois style. Thanks, bud. All right, we're golden. We caught one on stream. No, not a total loser. Caught me a largemouth. Right in the largemouth. Yeah. There's a lot of camping and stuff out at this lake too. You can see right over here, it looks like there's a walk path. There's a bunch of hiking trails and stuff out here. Bunch of hiking trails. See if there's anything else over here. There is. Oh, he let go of it. I don't know what that was. Oh, got him again. Here's another one. Look at that. Bass number 2. Not as pretty as the first one. About the same size though. About the same size. Yeah. Same size. But that's 2. 2 bass. I'll take it. Back on this little point, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what kind of coverage or I don't know what kind of coverage down there in that water. Let's get a little bit closer up here. All right.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.